Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming carrier 5G support and the XR's compatibility. Even though XR lacks native millimeter wave 5G, it can use sub-6 GHz networks. Once done, update iOS to the latest build. That delivers carrier settings and bug fixes. Make sure you have an active 5G SIM or an eSIM profile from your carrier. Now, restart the phone to apply the carrier profile. After the restart, head to Settings to continue. Don't skip the restart step. You open Settings, go to Cellular, then Cellular Data Options. This is where you control 5G behavior. Choose Voice and Data and pick 5G Auto for battery smart use, or 5G On to prefer 5G when available. Once chosen, set data mode to standard or higher performance to permit 5G speeds. If the 5G option is missing, toggle airplane mode on and off to force network re-registration. Make sure mobile data is enabled, and restart the phone if the new selection does. You finish by confirming the 5G icon in the status bar and running a speed test inside known 5G coverage. If 5G never appears, make sure your plan includes 5G, the SIM or eSIM is provisioned, and carrier settings are current. Ask your carrier to re-provision if needed. Once done, try Reset Network Settings as a last resort. This clears Wi-Fi and VPNs, but often fixes registration issues. If problems persist, contact carrier support with your IMEI and account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.